Here we have a nice example of egg damage when someone's thrown an egg at the car, and we're just going to show you how to simply repair this. Here we go, just applying the paint with a squeegee to the affected area, just wiping it in quite simply. No real skill required. Okay, now we'll just let that dry for a minute or so before we remove it with the step 2 Seal-Act. The quality of this video is not flash, I apologise for that, but it was just a customer who bought a car in, so we thought we'd have a look and see how well we could repair it. Okay, here comes the Seal-Act section. We're just applying some Seal-Act to a cloth. See, this entire repair will take less than 4 minutes or so. So we're just rubbing the excess paint off with the Seal-Act. Not rubbing very hard at all, just letting the Seal-Act do the work. So you just wet it up with a bit of Seal-Act and just gently rub back and forth. You can see the paint starting to come away now quite easily. And we're then left with what I think is the best result you'll get from this sort of damage from any touch-up paint available anywhere. Wipe off with a microfiber towel, and there we go. Complete. Thanks for watching.